For centuries, the cosmos was out of reach, visited only in our dreams and stories. Then, the 20th century brought astronauts, elite explorers, risking everything to represent humanity in space. Space was a distant, exclusive frontier, accessible only through immense national effort. But now, the dream is shifting. The line between astronaut and citizen is blurring. Imagine a future where anyone can plan a trip to see Earth from above, a journey not just for heroes but for all. This is the dawn of space tourism, a fundamental change in our relationship with the universe. No longer science fiction, commercial spaceflight is opening the cosmos to ordinary people. Driven by entrepreneurial vision and human curiosity, a new industry is emerging to democratize the final frontier. The doors to space are creaking open, and the question is no longer if, but when, regular people will go. When you can buy a ticket to see the curvature of the Earth, our planet becomes a shared home, a fragile blue marble in the vastness. What happens when artists, teachers, and everyday citizens experience this view? The potential for a global shift in consciousness is immense. We stand on the launch pad of a new age, ready to take a giant leap for all humankind. A handful of visionary companies are making space travel a reality for private citizens. Virgin Galactic's spaceplane VSS Unity offers suborbital flights. Passengers experience weightlessness and see Earth from above. Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket launches vertically, carrying tourists to the edge of space in a reusable capsule with panoramic views. Both companies focus on reusability, aiming to make spaceflight more affordable and routine. SpaceX, meanwhile, has redefined the industry. Their Inspiration 4 mission sent 4 private citizens into orbit for 3 days, higher than the ISS. SpaceX's ultimate goal making humanity multiplanetary, starting with Mars. These companies, while competitors, are collectively lowering costs and building the infrastructure for a new era. Today, tickets cost hundreds of thousands, but every new technology starts as a luxury. The efforts of these pioneers aren't just for the wealthy, they're laying the groundwork for future generations. Each flight proves new technologies and brings us closer to accessible space travel. The market is growing, innovation is accelerating, and the dream of space is becoming real. The groundwork for our cosmic future is being built now. The race to space is no longer just for governments, it's for all of us. Widespread space tourism is possible thanks to groundbreaking technology. The biggest leap? Reusable rockets. Instead of discarding rockets after one flight, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin land and reuse them, slashing costs. New propulsion systems, like SpaceX's methane-powered Raptor engines, are more efficient and designed for rapid reuse. Advanced materials such as carbon fiber composites make spacecraft lighter, stronger, and safer. These innovations mean more frequent, affordable, and reliable launches. Private investment is fueling rapid progress while partnerships with NASA provide expertise and resources. The result? A thriving ecosystem where private ambition and public experience combine. Space travel is shifting from rare event to routine possibility. The technology is here and it's evolving fast. The final frontier is opening not just for astronauts but for everyone. The rocket fuel for this journey is innovation itself. Where will space tourists go? The first stops are suborbital flights and soon space hotels in low Earth orbit. Imagine waking up to Earth spinning below your window, an orbital getaway with zero gravity and endless sunrises. Companies are designing inflatable habitats and modular stations for these experiences. Beyond Earth, the moon beckons. SpaceX's Dear Moon project plans to take artists around the moon, a preview of future lunar tourism. One day tourists may orbit or even walk on the lunar surface, visiting historic sites like Tranquility Base. Private space stations will offer more than hotels. Research labs, movie studios, even zero-gravity sports arenas. These outposts will create a bustling economy in orbit and serve as stepping stones for deeper exploration. Mars trips may be far off, but every new destination pushes our capabilities further. The solar system is vast and space tourism is the key to unlocking its wonders. Humanity is becoming a spacefaring species, one adventure at a time. The impact of space tourism reaches far beyond the launch pad. It inspires the next generation, fueling interest in science, technology, engineering, and math. The technology developed for space, lighter materials, efficient energy systems, advanced life support, often finds new uses on Earth. Water purification, medical sensors, and carbon composites all started as space innovations. The overview effect, Seeing Earth from space fosters a sense of unity and responsibility to protect our planet. As more people experience or share this perspective, it could spark a global shift in consciousness. The industry also creates high-tech jobs and drives economic growth, supporting communities and innovation. Investment in space is an investment in Earth's future. The journey to space is also a journey to a better world. Space tourism is changing how we see ourselves and our home. The promise of space tourism comes with real challenges. Space debris is a growing threat. Each launch adds to the risk of collisions in crowded orbits. We must develop strategies to track and remove debris, keeping our orbital highways safe. Environmental impact matters too. As launches increase, we need greener propulsion and sustainable practices. The health and safety of passengers is paramount. Space is unforgiving and rigorous standards are essential. Longer trips will require new medical protocols and international safety agreements. Equity is another challenge. Right now, space tourism is for the ultra-wealthy. We must find ways to broaden access, through scholarships, public seats, or reinvesting profits for the common good. The sky belongs to everyone, and our journey should reflect that truth. The future of space tourism depends on responsibility, safety, and fairness. We're on the verge of opening the heavens to all, but are we truly ready? The challenge isn't just technical, it's about wisdom, responsibility, and foresight. We must treat space as a precious resource, establishing global rules for safety, debris, and environmental impact. This is our chance to avoid repeating mistakes made on Earth's frontiers. A culture of safety is vital. One accident could set back the dream for decades. Industry and governments must enforce the highest standards, putting lives above all else. Readiness is also a mindset, embracing the overview effect, and understanding this journey is for everyone. We must ask hard questions about access, purpose, and stewardship. Are we going for thrills or to learn and grow as a species? The universe is inviting us. What will our answer be? Humanity's journey from a handful of astronauts to millions of space travelers is a transformation for the ages. Space is becoming a place of human experience, not just scientific missions or competition. The barrier between Earth and space is dissolving, thanks to the passion and ingenuity of a new generation. Reusable rockets, advanced materials, and commercial spirit are paving a more democratic path. The goal: make space accessible to all, not just the privileged few. But with opportunity comes responsibility. Debris, environment, and equity are central to our future. We are the ancestors of the spacefaring age. Our choices now will echo for generations. Our exploration should unite us in a shared purpose, reflecting the best of humanity. The stars are no longer distant, they are destinations. Whether you travel to space or not, you are part of this journey. The universe awaits, and we are finally answering its call.